I mentioned earlier, when we take a blank presentation, you can apply these themes. Okay, so it works better. Okay, then here we have themes. Then here we have variants. For example, if I choose this one, okay,
Mhm.
in the variants we will have different colors. You see, same design, same theme, but
Yes,
different
sir.
colors like this.
Mm.
And here we have the colors again.
Okay.
So whatever color combination you like, you can choose. And let's
Mhm.
choose different theme. Maybe this one. Then you see the variations. Variation here we don't have much, but you'll see colors. See, when I move one by one like this, I can see different color combinations like this. Okay, so you can apply and make use of those things. Then what we have next, slide size. So regarding slide size, I think I already explained before, but let me repeat. So this is standard, this is widescreen. Then here you can make custom size. మూత పెట్టేసి ఇప్పుడు సగం సగం తిన్నట్టయితే మూత పెట్టేసి తర్వాత ఇక్కడ this is first one is on screen show. This is old format. Okay, then
Yes, sir.
letter paper, ledger paper, these are the standard sizes. Okay, 35 mm slide, this is also one of the slide. Overhead projector, that one. Banner, on screen show, this one also on screen show. This is like, if you want to display something on the screen, like LED or anything, you can use wide screen. All these are just presets. Okay, then you can, for example, if you want to make A4 size, you can make A4. Even portrait also you can make. So like this, it will come. Maximize. When you choose maximize, it will be adjusted in that size. Okay. Now what the size is over. Format background. Format background means here you can choose colors to the slide. For example, you can fill gradient. See, gradient came. Okay. And from here, you can adjust the gradient. See, by moving these sliders. And if you want to add some other color, you can just click here. See, click here. Then come here. Then adjust the color. For example, dark color. See, like this. But in practical, we may not use like this. Just for practice purpose, I explain. But still, you can adjust these colors. Maybe light color like this. See, again, light color came. So, and if you don't want to have any point, for example, this one having five stops. So if you want to delete first, like fourth point, you can just click here, then choose delete. Then it will be deleted. Then you can see some variation here. This is okay. In gradient fill, we have again some kind of presets. So let's choose this one. See, nice. This one, also this one. So whatever color you like, you can choose. Okay. Okay. Now, here we have linear. Linear means, see, from one edge to other edge, like this it will come. Radial means from the center. Okay. Usually it will come from the center. Okay. Then rectangular means it will come like this. Some kind of rectangle feeling will come. Okay. Then path, it is like this, like, it comes from center, but based on in other software you may see little differently, but here appearing differently. Shade from slide, this is not working. Okay. Then direction, see, let's see, maybe linear. This direction you can see, for example, this blue is it this end. So if I choose this slide, it will change. See the slide, it will change like this. So which direction you want, you can choose. Even you can rotate the angle here. See, if I rotate like this, the angle of the ray gradient will rotate. Okay. Then here we have color of the actually this one, based on the spot where what we selected, that color will change here. For example, here white is there. So here white is there. So if you want to change this white, I need to select here. Then I need to click here. Then I need to change it to some other color, maybe this one. See, now it's changed here. That is the thing. Again, if you want to change this color, you need to select, then change the color. Like this, you see, like this. Okay, these are the points, spots. You can add or remove. By clicking, you can add. By clicking this button, you can delete. So here, if I want to choose some other color, I can choose like this. See, now 4 points are there. This is like a gradient. Okay. Color of the spot. Okay. Position means like, see, here I can move like this also, but also I can use this one to move on the screen. Also, you can see it's moving. Then transparency. For transparency, see, this one, if I want to see some kind of background from yellow, so I need to select this one. I need to reduce this one like this. See, it's the background you can see from here. Background is white. That's why I can see the
Mhm.
background. But sometimes this is for the slides, because behind the slide, nothing is there. So only white background is there. So by default, it will show white only. But this technique you can use for any picture. You can place any photograph at the back, then draw a rectangle shape, then add gradient stops, then reduce the transparency for one of the stop. Let's see that one, how it works. Now we are working on design, slide design, but let's see. I'll go to home, then I go to file. I'll take new blank presentation. This is blank presentation. Okay. See, here I will insert one picture, stock images. So I take this one. So this is there. I will make larger so I can see the full screen. I will increase the size like this. Then see, now I'm going to make one gradient here, this area like this. Okay. Now I right click, then I go to format shape. Okay. Then I go to fill, then I go to gradient. See, gradient presets are there. So I choose maybe this gradient. Okay. Then I can add spots here, maybe here dark blue like this. Okay. Then direction I choose like this. Now see, if I want to have some kind of transparency anywhere, if I add the transparency, I can see the background. So for example, this area, see this one last. Okay. Here, if I add the transparency, how it changes, you see like this. But now
Hmm.
this is okay. No, not here. Better I will change the transparency to this one. So it will like blend, it will blend in the background. This is the point. Okay. I am increasing the transparency. You see,
Yes, sir.
it blended nicely. Very nice
Mm-hmm.
look came. Okay. So like this, you can create some kind of designs. But the problem is here, there is one
There is line.
line. So that
Uh,
line you can remove from here. No outline.
okay.
Now it
Okay.
has gone. Okay.
Hmm.
So
Now it is
it's,
blended
yeah.
beautiful.
So like this, you can have some kind of colorful gradient. That colors also you can choose from the background. For example, I'll tell you one more thing. Maybe here you can write something like text, like in your designs related to this photo, you can write some kind of text. But if you use the colors from the photo, it looks better. Now I will insert new. Okay, see, okay, this one, let it be like this. Now I go to insert, then I go to picture, then I go to stock images, then okay, let's choose this one, insert. Maybe consider this like a business presentation. Okay. Now I
Hmm.
have photo here. Okay. But this one, I'll bring it front. Okay. I go
Right.
to arrange, then I go to bring it front. Okay. Now see this one, again, I go here. This is for the fill. Okay. The colors I want to choose from this background. So for that, what I have to do? I click here, then I click here, then I choose eyedropper, then I choose this blue. See, this is blue from here. Okay, nice. Then here I choose some other color from the same background, maybe this one. Okay. Then this one, I choose some other background from here, maybe. Okay. This is not good, but I can reduce the transparency. See, like this. Now we got nice blended color. Okay. So it is blending in this. And the problem is this photo is up to here only. So if I increase the width like this, then I can see the blending properly. So it is blending now. Now I can type some kind of text here. For example, I type here, I go to this text box. Actually, this one to place some kind of text, it will be like, text placeholder. Then we can see the text properly. If I don't put this one, simply picture, it will not give nice design. So for having some kind of text backgrounds, we can have gradients like that. And that gradient color, we have to choose from the photo, what we are using. Now I take one text box. Okay. So here, text box, then I draw text box. Okay. Business. Okay. See, here I just type your business project name here. This picture related to business. So whatever business you want to do. So like, anything you can type here. As a sample, I just mentioned here. So see what I'm doing now. I want to keep the text in vertical direction. So I hold shift. I don't need to hold shift, but if I hold shift, it will be perfectly 90 degrees like this. Okay. Then I press C here. Okay, I can show from here. See here, I have this alignment, center alignment. Can you see? This is center alignment.
Yes, sir.
So, and also I need to put like the, I will place this one. I will place the edge. I will touch the string edges to the slide edge. So it will be center to the presentation. Okay. Now it is nice. If I want to increase the size, I can increase like this. Then the color, better to keep white. Okay. Like this, you can play some kind of text. Okay. Now let's go back to the previous one. Okay. Here we were discussing this slide background. Okay, slide background. While discussing slide background, I wanted to explain the shape uh, gradient and other fields. Okay, so that's what we discussed. Then we have here brightness. So let's see, this is the one. Okay, if I increase the brightness of this color, see, it is changing. This is reducing the brightness. Okay, like this, like it will be like dark color. Okay. Then apply to all means if we have okay, 1 minute, apply to all. When I click apply to all, what's happening? Basically, this one, it will be applied to all the slides. For example, I go to insert, new slide, new slide, new slide. Then okay. Here something looking differently, but when I click on apply to all, okay, you see this background design applied to all the slides, but there is some issue here. This shouldn't be like this, okay? So maybe I'll delete this one. So I use only this one, okay? I have this one now. Then reset background means actually reset background is not working here. Okay, anyway, let's go there. Okay. Now we finish this design area, then format background. In the design area, we have designer. This designer, I think I explained before. Did you remember?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. For example, if you place some photo and some kind of this one, let's test one more time. File, I'll take new. Okay. Then I just insert some photo, picture, stock images. Okay. So this photo I just inserted here. When I insert picture, see, if I want to have nice design to the slide, actually this design is in designer tab. See, design in design tab, we have designer. You see one by one, you just change the design and see how it looks. See, it is changing, it's coming
Yes,
with
sir.
frame. So whatever design you like, see, this one is also nice. See more design. So like this, you can, okay, this is also nice. So this is about design tab. This is also very nice. See, some kind of circle shape. Okay. So it generates automatic designs. Once you insert a photo or whatever is there based on the content you placed in the slide, it will show some ideas. So you can just apply and use that one. This is also good. Okay. Yeah. This is about designer. So we successfully completed design tab also. Next one, transitions. I think transition we discussed.
Actually, transition also we discussed.
Transitions all we discussed.
Yeah,
Okay. So design tab is over.
applied transitions. This is also completed.
Yeah. No. Actually, this one I'll just put here. Transitions tab. This transitions tab is over. Okay. Next, what we have, animations tab. Okay. So next we will have animations tab. Did I
Sir,
discuss?
I do remember we discussed animation also.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, yes, we discussed because here I explained that there will be four kind of animations. For example, if I see here, see these four. Okay, emphasize. Did I explain? Emphasize like rotation. See, I
But
will I
I
will
do
show here.
remember
See,
animation.
entrance means it will come. Emphasis
Uh-huh.
means it will rotate or it will like blink.
Yeah, you told me in 3D, in 3D way.
Yes. So yeah, I think, but you can practice later again, so you will get. So very simple. You need to select the thing, then you need to give animation. Then there are some options here. Animation pan. That's what we are going to discuss now. Animation pane. So for example, if I add this float in, so here I will have animation pane. So maybe if I add another image here, for example, mm, I draw a shape here, insert shape. So here I will type something later. So for that also I can give some kind of animation. I go to animation, then I give flying. So see, this is picture. This is one animation. So if I want to change the order, I can move like this. For example, if I want to show this one first, I can select this one. I can bring up.
Yes, sir.
So now when I run the slideshow, you see this will come first. Then with the next this will come. And one more
Yes.
thing. Okay, this is about animation plan. You can see when there are many things, you can just reorder from here. There are some advanced things also, but once you are familiar with these things, you will clearly understand. Or later when we do any project, that time you will clearly understand. There are some things you need to learn with practice only. We'll see in the projects that one. Now we have trigger. I think trigger also I explained. Did I explain trigger?
No.
Okay, maybe to someone. Okay. See, quiz. Okay. What is this? What is this animal's name? Okay. So imagine this is a quiz. Okay. So now, see in this slide. Okay, I type again. Okay. So yeah, I'll type here cat. Here I type tiger. Okay. This just only for practice. Okay. In real life, you can have something differently. Okay. See now, the use of this one is when I Okay. See, what is this animal's name? Okay. When I click this one, this should show. That is the purpose. Okay. Now animations, go to animation, trigger. Okay. On, click off. Okay. But for this, see, on click off. Let me see. I select this because I want to, when I click this one, this should appear. So I go to trigger, on click off. See here, what is the, first you need to identify the name of this shape. So here, if you want, you can change, rename. There is rename, just double click, it will come. Or click once. No, it's not coming. Or okay, I'll tell you. You need to go to home. Okay, in home tab, very carefully listen. This is a little advanced and important. In the select pane, okay, select this shape, then type here, like what is this? This is the name to identify what is this. Okay, this is the name of this shape box. Now go to animation, then click here. You have given a name for that. Trigger, on click off. Okay, what is this? So what will happen? This should show when I click, what is this button? Okay, I click here. Okay, now let's go and animate. So first it will come. What is this animal? When I click, this will show. Trigger like that. Okay, this is the concept. You see, imagine in real life situation how you can use this one. Okay. Now let me duplicate this one. Okay. Okay, the correct answer is, okay, the correct answer is like that I mentioned. Then I can delete this one. Then I just type maybe another one. Okay, cat. Okay, so now this cat, you are doing some kind of quiz. Imagine you are doing some kind of quiz. Okay, then you will say the correct answer is, then when you click, this should come. Okay, so on the click of this one, trigger, on click of, here I need to name this one. I go to home, then I go to, this is, okay, this is the second one. Okay, the correct answer is, when you select, you will see the selection. When you select, you will see here also selection, like that you can identify. Okay, now I renamed this one, then I go to animations, then I click this one. This one, when should appear? When I click, the correct answer is,
Okay.
click, it should come. Trigger, on click on, the correct answer is, then it should come. Then let's see, I'll play just, okay, now I click, I'll give some time to the audience. Okay, now I can say the correct answer is cat, like that it will come. So you can plan some kind of quizzes for your classroom activities.
Right.
That time you can use trigger. Okay. Also, see, maybe you are good at drawing. Okay, so maybe you made some kind of drawing, like, pipe, water pipe. Okay, then water cubes or ice cubes or whatever water drops should fell down. Okay, then you want to show that animation. So once you click that tap or something, then water should fall. So like that animation also you can create. Did you understand the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Water drop.
Yeah, you will make the water traps, then you will apply the in the animations. See, in the animations, we have this motion path. You see, motion path. So if you apply motion path animation to the vowels, the water cubes or whatever is there, then it will flow continuously. Okay. We can, okay, for example, let's see something. Okay. So
We can take a picture of tap from stock images.
yes, yes, yes. You can take. Okay. See this one. Imagine this is not a water drop. Maybe
Uh-huh.
later you can uh, create some kind of water tap, water drop, or even you can insert a water drop picture from internet like PNG. Okay. I'm just
Mm-hmm.
showing you here the animation. What animation you can choose? Go to animation, then choose here motion path. Motion path. Okay. So like this. Okay.
Right.
Like this, it will
Mm-hmm.
come. Then it should repeat. It should repeat. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So to repeat, what you have to, you need to right click or here, effect options. Go to click here. Here, you go to timing, then choose until end of slide or until end of slide is better. Okay. Then see, like this, it
Mm.
will repeat when I do the animation like this.
Yes, sir.
Like this. Okay,
Right.
so if I create the water drop, that cube and all, it
We
will take
can
more
draw.
time. That's why I did not show how to create, but you can just get the water drop PNG file and you can
Right.
animate like this.
Sir,
Even,
we can draw a solar system also.
yes, yes, anything you can draw.
That movement of
Yes,
planets
yes,
around the sun.
yeah, yeah. Okay, you can do like a project and show me later. We can discuss how to
Mm-hmm.
improve that one.
Yeah.
Okay,
Mm.
okay. Now in the animations, we have trigger, we learned animation painter. I think I explained before. Did you remember? Did I explain animation painter?
Sir, you are
Okay, okay, no
explaining
problem.
animation today.
Yeah, okay, okay, no problem. Let's see. Here I am removing the animation to this. I choose none. This also I choose none. Okay, this also I choose none. But for the first one, I gave some kind of animation. Okay, I want to apply the same animation to the other elements which are in the other continuous slide. So for that, what this is plain animation is there. I don't need to click here again and I go, no, don't need to give plain animation. Okay. I need to double click once. See animation painter 2 times.
Mm-hmm.
Then I need to click wherever I want to apply. This one. Then I go to the next one. This one. Then I go to the next one. Then here. So like
Right.
this, you can apply the same animation effect to the other elements also. Even if I apply to this one, it will be applied. So
Mm-hmm.
that is the use of animation painter. Next, on click. On click is very, very important to know. Okay. See,
It will be on click. Okay.
yeah, when you click, it will display. But
Yeah.
sometimes, see, this is here. I'm running the slideshow. Now nothing is there. But if I want to show the first animation without clicking, what I can do? I go to this animation pane. What is the first animation? This is the first animation, maybe. Okay. Then I come here, I choose with previous, with previous. So when I click this slideshow, when I start the slideshow it will play automatically without my uh, action. Okay, without pressing anything, it will show automatically. That is the use of on click. But sometimes, when you are making like self-learning video, in the video you will not click. It should play automatically. So in
Yes,
such
sir.
cases, what you have to do, whatever elements are there, for example, here, maybe you have another instruction. Okay. So here. So with this, maybe what you can do for this, I have given with previous. But for this, I want to show this one after some time. So I
Right.
can do after previous. So
Mm-hmm.
this is the difference. See, now when I run the slideshow, first it will show, then after that this will go. So like that, You imagine any number of, there are maybe 10 elements or 15 elements. For all these things, you give after previous, one by one, one by one, one by one, it will show. Maybe you have some kind of photos, 10 photos are there with the names. Group them, give animation. Then second one, choose, for the first one choose with previous, for the second one choose after previous, then third one after previous. So like that, one by one it will play. Then it will go to the next slide. Okay, so but you need to test how much time it is taking to play all the 15 photos. Just test that one. Then you give the transition timing in this slide area. Then after 15 photos movement, then after such, after maybe it will take 15 seconds, so you give 16 seconds here. So after 16 seconds it will go to the next slide. Did you understand this concept?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So this is about, and when you're practically doing, it will be more clear for you. But again, you can ask me what doubts you have. Then duration. Duration means, see, this one, it is playing in 50 seconds. If I want to make it fast, I reduce it. Immediately it will come. Okay, I run here, see, it's coming fast. If I want to make it slow, I need to increase the duration. This is just animation duration. So now see, it will come slowly. For this only, I increase the duration, so it is coming slowly. This one as it is like before, so it is following the same duration. This is about duration. Next, delay. Delay means sometimes, okay, I will choose here also maybe, okay. So maybe one, okay, let's take to 1.75, see. This is 1.75. Then this also I will apply same. See, now I apply animation painter, then I select to this. So now when I run the slideshow, see, both are coming at the same time. But if I want to show in the video, after playing this one, maybe after 3 seconds or 4 seconds, I can make delay for the second
Yes.
one. I need to select this one. I need to select, give some timing, maybe. Okay, let's see. Then after some time, it will show. Just delay time is there. Delay means same with previous, but after how much time it should play. That is the delay. Then move earlier, move later. This is based on the animation pane. Okay. So whatever elements are here, you can just select and you can choose move earlier, move later, like that. Or you have buttons here. You can use these buttons.
Yes.
Then, yeah. See, here we have the animation slideshow button. When you click this one, it will play like this. But there is a shortcut also. If, for example, here I am in this slide. If I press F5 from the beginning, it will show the slideshow. This is a shortcut F5. But if I want to show the slideshow from the current slide, I need to press Shift F5. So I am pressing Shift F5. So I will show the presentation from here.